So I want to take you to the movie.
Okay.
How is it?
My schedule is open today.
Oh, really? That's great! はい、どうも、ハリウッド俳優のシャギーでございます。今日はね、鬼滅がね、社会現象になってるということでね、どんなものなのかというのをね、言ったんですけど、前回、ちょっと社会現象になってると知らなかったんで、今日は社会現象になってるというのをね、そこに注目して、ちょっとね、見てみようと。でね、アメリカのオタクたちは一体どのように鬼滅を見ているのか、ちょっとね、探したいということで、今回はね、特別ゲスト、どうぞ。こんばんは、みんな。こんばんは。私の親友、ジム君ですね。彼は、れっきとした The オタクというわけで、彼にね、ちょっとこの鬼滅を見てもらって、Have you seen 鬼滅? Have you known?
I have heard of it, yes, and I have seen a little bit of commercials and productions, but manga, animation, movie-wise, nothing.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any
I have
knowledge?
I have some idea of what's going on, but about the story, the background, no, nothing.
Okay. But you know, this movie is like in the middle, starting in the middle of the story. So it's like there is no explanation.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Yes.
Okay. Let's hear about his feeling after watching this movie ですね。はい。というわけで、じゃあね、行ってみたいと思います。劇場版鬼滅の刃無限列車編。行ってみよう。Okay. Let's do this together. Okay. Yeah. 行ってみよう。ちょっと劇場厳しかったみたいで、このカメラをね持ってくんなっていうことなんで、そりゃそうですよね。というわけでちょっとね切りたいと思います。切って上映を確かめてみたいと思います。はい、じゃあそうしましたら鬼滅見終わりましたよ。じゃあそういうわけでね、興味ありますね。How did you feel about this movie?
This is how should I say this? There is something extra, structure-wise, because I thought the movie ended at one certain point, but then it moved on further. It is more than I expected it to be. The structure is different. It's more than expected outside of normal structure.
Were you crying, right?
I was at one point.
Yeah.
At one point.
Oh yeah.
There are tears that are shed.
Oh yeah. That's a huge sad story.
It is. It is.
And
but it's catharsis. I would say.
Yeah.
It's very therapeutic.
So you can say it's good.
Yeah, I could say that it's good. It's quite good. It's not. It's not like the comedies, like the New Explained Sankaku that I normally would enjoy. But this is also a different kind of a movie that I would also enjoy. A great release of emotions instead.
It's persuasive. It was a big hit in Japan.
Hey.
Oh, really? How do you think in US how it's gonna be like a big hit, or actually the first 3 days this movie makes a huge money?
Story-wise, because of the difference it has with normal Western civilization movie telling or structures, so it's going to be a very different kind of story. Well, judging on the amount of fan base that it has currently, it's going to be a huge hit. But I personally believe that there's going to be a boost after the movie is released. That there is going to be a bigger
boost means like more theaters.
It's going up one step of the ladder from what it was, because they'll have a lot more people looking into the Eastern civilization, their culture, the background, to understand what is being expressed in the movie.
You understand that the movie's dynamics
Of course.
right. というわけでジム君も非常に良かったと、アメリカでも、すごくヒットするんじゃないかと、すでに3日間で結構ヒットしてるらしいですけどね、その後ちょっとどうなるかっていうのがちょっと楽しみですねということです。ハリウッド俳優のシャギーと US オタクのジム君でした、ではまた。